Ever seen a cactus that looks more cute than dangerous? This is the bunny ear cactus, also known as Opuntia microdasys, and those little pads really do look like tiny bunny ears. But don't let the adorable look fool you. Instead of long spines, this cactus is covered in tiny fuzzy-looking dots called glochids. They may look soft, but they're actually very fine spines that stick to your skin incredibly easily. And trust me, they're not fun to remove. When it's healthy and happy, the bunny ear cactus grows upright with new pads stacking on top of each other, almost like a cactus version of rabbit ears. Care is surprisingly simple. Give it plenty of bright light or full sun. The more sunlight it gets, the stronger and more compact the growth will be. When watering, less is definitely more. Let the soil dry out completely before watering again, because this cactus hates staying wet for too long. For my soil mix, I use about 50% cactus mix, 30% perlite, and 20% coarse sand to keep everything fast-draining and airy. Right now, mine is planted in a light-colored pot to help reduce heat absorption during hot sunny days. As it gets bigger, I'll eventually transplant it into a larger container. One thing I really love about this cactus is how playful and sculptural it looks. Even a small one can become a standout piece in a succulent collection. Just remember, give it lots of sun, avoid overwatering, and never grab those fuzzy spots with bare hands unless you want a very prickly surprise. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.